Assalamu alaikum my followers and colleagues. In this video I will explain to you how to use the remote control of the ZANUSSI air conditioner. Like every remote control, there is an on-off button here. With its help we can turn the air conditioner on and off. This is the mode button. With its help we can change the modes of the air conditioner. This air conditioner has 5 modes. The modes change in this order: cooling, heating, auto, drying and fan mode. Most users use the air conditioner mainly for cooling purposes. Therefore, we start with the explanation of this mode. We press the mode button, and when the snowflake symbol appears on the screen, the air conditioner is considered to have switched to cooling mode. It is recommended that you set the temperature in cooling mode between 22 to 24 degrees Celsius. This is the light button, and with its help we can turn on and off the light of the display on the air conditioner. This button is used to adjust the fan speed of the air conditioner. The fan has 4 speeds: low, medium, high and auto. In the bedroom, the low speed can be selected so that the air conditioner fan does not disturb you. The turbo button is used to accelerate the cooling of the air conditioner. When the turbo button is pressed, the air conditioner speed is selected to the maximum and the air conditioner returns to the previous fan mode after 30 minutes of the operation in this mode. To move the air conditioning blinds or keep them in any position, you need to press the swing button. This symbol appears on the screen when the blinds move up and down without stopping. When it stops in any position, that symbol disappears from the screen. This button is designed to increase the temperature, and this button is designed to decrease it. This is a follow me button here, and when you press it, this symbol appears on the screen. In this mode, the air conditioner measures the temperature using the remote control. For this mode to work, the distance between the air conditioner and remote control must be less than 7 meters. To exit this mode, you need to press the same button again. Sometimes it happens that we set the air conditioner to, for example, 21°C when we lie down in bed. In such a case, it is recommended to press the sleep button. In this case, the air conditioner raises the temperature to 22°C after 2 hours, and then to 24°C. This mode is for preventing colds and for us to sleep comfortably. This button is to show the temperature in the house. Now we press this button and 30 degrees appears on the screen, because the height of my hand raised the temperature of the remote control while recording the video. To exit this mode, you need to press the same button again. To set the air conditioner's clock, we press the clock button. With the help of the temperature buttons, we set the time to, for example, 12:30 and press the clock button again to confirm. Setting the clock on this air conditioner is essential for the timer to function properly. Let's say we will return home at PM 6:00 in the evening, and we want our conditioner to turn on at PM 5:00. When the remote controller is in standby mode, we press the timer on button and set the timer to PM 5:00. To confirm, we press the timer on button again. Our air conditioner will turn on at PM 5:00 and cool our house until we return home. To exit this mode, we need to press the same button again. Or, for example, we want our air conditioner to turn off at AM 4:30. In this case, we press the timer off button and set the timer to AM 4:30 and press the timer off button again to confirm. Our air conditioner will work until 4:30 in the morning and then turn off. To exit this mode, we need to press the timer off button again. To switch to other modes of the air conditioner, we press the mode button again. A sun symbol appears on the screen. This is the heating mode, and in this mode, we set the temperature to 26°C or higher. Setting the air conditioner fan to auto speed mode in heating mode allows it to work more efficiently. To switch to auto speed mode, we press the fan button several times, and if nothing is seen here, the air conditioner fan switches to auto speed mode. In this mode, the fan speed will be selected by the microprocessor. We press the mode button again and switch to auto mode. In this mode, the air conditioner tries to maintain the temperature at the same level. Let's say we set the temperature to 24 degrees Celsius in auto mode. In this case, if the temperature drops below 24 degrees Celsius, the air conditioner will operate in heating mode. And if it rises above it, it will operate in cooling mode. We press the mode button again and switch to dry mode. This mode is designed to reduce the humidity in the house. We press the mode button again and switch to fan mode. In this mode, the air conditioner will work like a regular fan. The air conditioner has another function. This is the self-clean button. This mode serves to dry the water accumulated on the evaporator of the air conditioner. When this button is pressed, this icon appears on the screen. Thank you for following us until the end.